Hey guys, so today I thought I'd do a quick video on my iKamper Skycamp Mini rooftop tent. This is purely just in case someone's out there that is on the fence about whether to invest in a rooftop tent. I think it's just a really good investment for camping. It just makes things so much simpler, so much easier. It's just a simple open setup where you don't have to worry about time frames, and say you get to a campsite that's late and you're worried about doing it in the evening. This makes it just so much better. I'll quickly just show you the setup. Obviously it'll vary on what vehicle you've got, but on my Gladiator I've just got it on the bed rack. I'll just do it at a leisurely pace. I'll start the timer and show you how long it takes me, and yeah, it's really simple. So starting now. Let's go. I'm not trying to break any world records yet, just show you how simple it is. And it comes out. Really? So those. Side windows. And then, so that's a minute 40 to do. So basically set up. I can't use the extensions for this window because of the way the how high the tent sits. So, but otherwise that's really it. And then yeah, just put the mats out and you're done, ready to go. So yeah, just a quick one. I think it's really worth it if it fits in your budget. There's a lot of different ones out there, but yeah, I went with the iKamper. But yeah, easy done. Just makes it so much simpler. See you next time.